on behalf of Goa Board, I welcome all the representatives of the print media as well as electronic media to this press conference, specially convened for the declaration of HSC March 2019 Goa results conducted by this board. So I will read out the major features of these results, and at the same time simultaneously it will be also displayed on the screen. So this examination was conducted from 20th February 2019 to 26th March 2019 on 17 centers. So this year there was an additional center of Kujira. Earlier there was only one center, that is pending, but now we have added one more center, that is Kujira. Now the higher secondary school certificate results for last 5 years, they are there on the screen. You can see in 2014, 11,720 students appeared, out of which 10,025 students passed, and at that time the result was 85.54%. Then 2015, 15,708 students appeared, 13,813 students passed, and the result in terms of percentage was 88.10%. Then in 2016, 15,410 students appeared, 13,885 students passed, and result was 90%. So this was the highest result which was marked during these 5 years, 90.10%. Then 2017, 16,520 students appeared, 14,666 students passed, and this result was 88.78%. In 2018, very last year, 17,739 students appeared, out of which 15,172 students passed, and this result was 85.53%. So this was last 5 years result. Now this year, I mean in March 2019 examination, which was conducted, 16,152 students appeared, out of which 15,187 students passed, and 80 this percentage comes to 89.59%. Analysis of result: boys 7,985 boy students appeared, out of which 6,940 students passed, and this pass percentage is 86.91%. Girls 8,967 number of girl students appearing for examination, and the pass 8,247, and this pass percentage is 91.97. So the girls has overtaken the boys as far as the passing percentage is concerned. Then total you have is 89.59%. Then the center-wise pass percentage, you can see the highest result is MAPSA. This graph you can see, and the minimum pass percentage is Sakri Center, that is 78.34%, and the MAPSA is 95.35%. Increased to 88.10, then it was 90.10%. Then again it came down. I mean the result keep on fluctuating, 88.78%. Then it came down to 85.84%, and then now this year it is 89.59%. So these graphs show the variation, how the result the variation took place in the results. Then next, stream wise, arts. Number of students appeared is 4,117. Number of students passed 3,612, and the result of art stream is 87.73%. Commerce, 5,173 students appeared. 4,752 students passed, and this result is 91.86%. Science, 4,819 students appeared, out of which 4,422 students passed, and this result is 91.76%. And vocational, 2,843 students appeared, 2,401 students passed, and this result is 84.45%. So the commerce result is the highest compared to arts, science, and vocational.